In this video I will show you how to add this lock shortcut on your iPhone home screen. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Let me delete this first to show you how to do it from scratch. Go to your Shortcuts app, which is a free app from App Store. So this is the one that I made earlier, so let me delete it too. Now tap on this plus button to create a new shortcut. Tap on this box below and search for lock. Select lock screen. Now tap on this drop-down menu, then choose icon. You can select from the icons in here or you can search it from here. Then select the lock icon. You can also change the app icon color. Then click done. After that, tap on this drop-down again, then click add to home screen. Change the app name to lock. Then click add. You will see in your home screen the new lock app icon. When you tap on the lock icon, it will automatically lock your iPhone. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.